Hello, elder family members. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at steps to living a healthy lifestyle. And our number one steps is going to be communicating with God and the universe. It is a very unhealthy habit to jump out of your bed in the morning and dash into the street. Even the Bible made us to know that we should redeem the day because all the days are full of evil. Therefore, you need to communicate with God, your maker, then the universe. What are the universe? The universe are the sun, the moon, the star, the water, and so soil in which you tread upon. Tell them how you want them to cooperate with your goal for the day. And trust me, you definitely see results. Number 2, take enough water. Water is very, very essential. Water is good for your body. According to the U.S. National University of Science, Engineering and Medicine, it was stated that the adequate intake of fluid for men on a daily basis is 3.7 liters of fluid, and for women, 2.7 liters of fluid, which is equivalent to 50.5 cups of water and 11.5 cups of water for women. But in further research, it was stated that every individual needs water differently according to the situation of their health and their body system. For instance, a nursing mother will definitely need more amount of water intake than a mom that is not breastfeeding. Therefore, let's look into the importance of water in the body. Water is very essential because it keeps your body temperature cool. It normalizes your body temperature. It gets rid of toxins and waste from your body. It lubricates your ocean and joints. It protects sensitive tissues in your body. And inadequate of water can lead to dehydration. Dehydration could be energy draining and it can make you get tired. Definitely, you don't want to get tired, so you need to take adequate water. Cultivate that habit. How do you know you don't have adequate water in your body? You can know simply from your urine. A normal urine should be colorless of light or light yellow. Once your urine is very yellowish, you definitely know that you're already dehydrated, which is not good for your health. So run to take water. So you don't want to wait till you are dehydrated. In case you are the type that doesn't like water, like drinking of your soda, alcohol, let me give you this method which I use and that has worked for me over the years. Look for a very fancy cup, especially those ones that has straw. You can dice your cucumber if you can afford it, or strawberry, or apple, or watermelon inside. The flavor inside that cup of water will make you feel as if you are taking your normal soda. Before you know it, you get adapted and you like water, and water will become your best food intake. Also, we'll go to the third point and step, which is cultivating a healthy eating habit. What is a healthy eating habit? A healthy eating habit is eating the right proportion and nutrients of food. When you want to consume your food, it's not about filling the plate or eating small. You have to eat the right proportion and correct nutrients that your body needs. So to achieve this, make sure you crave and crunch more on vegetables and fruits. And to get your fruit, we can use the method which we know as rainbow method, which has the colorful ones. You can go for the color white, which is your banana and mushroom. For color green, you have the guava, you have the water lettuce, you have the cucumber. For color orange, you have the orange and papaya. And for color red, you have your watermelon, strawberry, tomatoes, and all that. Make sure you avoid processed food. Processed food is not good for your body because most of this processed food, in the course of production and processing, they have lost their vital nutrient that your body needs. And the addition of preservative to make it last longer is not good for your health. Avoid trigger food. Which ones are the trigger foods? Trigger foods are those food that once you take a bite, you can't take your mind and your mouth off, like chocolate, your cookies, your chips. If at all you must eat chocolate, make sure it's the dark chocolate. That is the type of chocolate that is good for your body. And also, make sure you prepare your own meal. By preparing your own meals, you know exactly what you are taking into your system. You don't want to know what those people out there are using to cook those food you are buying. I won't say more than that. Be wise. Also, make sure you eat balanced diet. Okay, and make sure you don't wait till your plate is empty before you know you are filled. Is that okay? And lastly, for today, we will be looking at negativity. Never allow negative mentality in your life. What's negative mentality? Looking at yourself as if you are not good enough, inferiority complex, seeing every other person better than you is a negative habit. You have to look at yourself as if you are the best. Though it's good to learn from your mistake and learn from others, but always believe in yourself that you can achieve anything if you put your mind at it. And most importantly, stay away from negative and toxic people. Who are the negative and toxic people? These are the people around your life that never see anything good out of you. They only bring out the bad things you do. They never encourage you on any step or plans that you have. Stay away from them. Stay away from them. Make sure you surround your life with good people. So that will be all for today. Please, if you find this video very useful, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification for my next video on Sunday by 2 p.m. Please feel free to share this link with anyone around you, because all of us need to be healthy. This community we are building is a healthy community. Please feel free to drop comments of whatever you want us to discuss in our subsequent video. Thank you guys. See you soon in my next video. Bye.